Samsung is dominating the soundbar game in 2025. From slim, stylish setups to full-blown Dolby Atmos monsters, they've built something for every budget and room size. In this video, we're ranking the top 5 best Samsung soundbars you can buy right now, from budget bangers to the ultimate home theater beast. Let's get into it. Number 5. Samsung HW Q700D. The Q700D is where premium sound starts without the flagship price. It brings 3.1.2 channels, dedicated up-firing drivers for real Dolby Atmos, and a strong wireless subwoofer, all tuned by Samsung's Q Symphony tech. You get HDMI eARC, AI sound mode, and Adaptive Sound 2.0 that adjusts audio based on your content. Perfect for small to medium rooms. Samsung TV owners. People who want real Atmos on a budget. It's clean, powerful, and surprisingly immersive for a mid-range bar. Number 4. Samsung HW Q800D. The Q800D takes a big step up. With 5.1.2 channels, upgraded center channel clarity, and a deeper, tighter bass from the improved subwoofer, it's built for serious home theater without full rear speakers. Thanks to HDMI 2.1 support, you also get 4K per 120 Hz pass-through, making it a solid choice for gamers. The soundstage is wider, the effects more refined, and it feels like a miniature Q990D, just without the rears. This is the one to get if you want cinematic impact. You don't have space for rear speakers. You want premium performance under $1,000. Number 3. Samsung HW Q930D. This is where things get serious. The Q930D offers 9.1.4 channels, with dedicated rear speakers, up-firing drivers on both bar and rears, and a heavy-duty subwoofer for true theater-style immersion. You get full Dolby Atmos DTS, X, Q Symphony, and SpaceFit Sound Pro that adapts to your room automatically. It's basically a slightly stripped-down version of the Q990D, but at a much more affordable price. If you want real rear sound without paying flagship prices, this is the sweet spot. Number 2. Samsung HW S800D Ultra Slim. Now for something different. The S800D isn't about max channels or booming bass. It's about minimal design with maximum impact. It's an ultra-slim soundbar, barely 1.6 inches thick, with 3.1.2 channels, up-firing Atmos drivers, and a compact sub that still kicks. Perfect for wall-mounted TVs, bedrooms, apartments, tight spaces. Users who want premium sound without visual bulk. Despite its size, it supports Dolby Atmos, Q Symphony, and HDMI eARC. And trust me, it sounds way bigger than it looks. A design lover's dream, with the soul of a performer. Number 1. Samsung HW Q990D. There's no surprise here. The Q990D is the best soundbar Samsung has ever made, period. You get 1.1.4 channels, dedicated wireless rears with up-firing plus side-firing drivers, a thunderous subwoofer, AI Sound Gen 2 for intelligent scene-by-scene audio tuning, HDMI 2.1, 4K/120 pass-through, VRR, ALLM, Q Symphony 3.0, SpaceFit Sound Pro, and Voice Enhancement AI. From movies to gaming, this bar does it all, and makes your living room feel like a cinema. Yes, it's expensive, but it's the only bar that can truly replace an AV receiver setup. No wires, no AVR, no compromise. If you want the best, this is it. Final breakdown. Which Samsung soundbar should you choose? Here's how to decide. Q700D, budget-friendly Atmos for small spaces. Q800D, great sound, no rears, perfect mid-range. Q930D, full rear speakers without flagship cost. S800D, super slim, modern, and clean sound. Q990D, full theater in a box. No competition. Samsung nailed every price point in 2025. So whether you're building your first system or upgrading your final setup, there's a Samsung soundbar made for you.